Question. DS. John spent a total of 200 minutes exercising in the gym, working part-time at McDonald's, and studying in the library. If he did not do 2 or more of these 3 activities at the same time, how much time did he spend working part-time at McDonald's? Condition 1. The amount of time John spent exercising in the gym was twice the amount of time he spent working part-time at McDonald's. Condition 2. The amount of time John spent working part-time at McDonald's was the same as the amount of time he spent studying in a library. Solution. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. DS, 3 variables and 1 equation. Question. Condition 1, 1 equation. Condition 2, 1 equation. DS question with 3 variables and 1 equation. Let the original condition in a DS question contain 3 variables and 1 equation. Now, 3 variables and 1 equation would generally require 2 or more equations to be able to solve for the variables. We know that each condition would usually give us an equation resulting in a total of 3 equations, 1 each from the original condition, condition 1, and condition 2. Since we need 2 more equations to match the numbers of variables and equations in the original condition, an equal number of equations and variables should logically give us an answer C. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. You should never solve this question as suggested by the official guide. If you do, it will take you 62 minutes to do only 20 questions. Then, you have to prepare for the next exam as soon as you get out of the test site. Let us give a variable to each activity. E equals exercising in the gym, as E. W equals working part-time at McDonald's, and S equals studying in the library. We have to find the amount of time that John spends working part-time at McDonald's, which is equal to W if the 3 activities in total take 200 minutes. Follow the second and the third step. From the original condition, we have 3 variables, E, W, and S, and 1 equation, E plus W plus S equals 200. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 2 more equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide 1 equation each, C would most likely be the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose C as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at both conditions together. Condition 1 tells us that E equals 2 times W. Condition 2 tells us that S equals W. On substituting these values in terms of W in the original condition, E plus W plus S equals 200 gives us 2 times W plus W plus W equals 200. Combining like terms gives us 4 times W equals 200. Dividing both sides by 4 gives us W equals 50. The answer is unique, so the conditions combined are sufficient. Both conditions 1 and 2 together are sufficient. So C is the correct answer. Answer C.